Hello friends, you are watching my YouTube channel Sorgesar Biology. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the essentials of protein synthesis. In that, the second point. In the previous lecture, we have studied about the non-genetic RNA, that is mRNA, rRNA, and tRNA, and their role in the process of protein synthesis. And now, the very important, the second aspect of protein synthesis is the genetic code. This is the genetic code. Now, what is code, or what is exactly the genetic code is? In the very simple language, the genetic code means it is a particular sequence of nitrogenous bases on DNA or in the mRNA or rRNA or in the tRNA. The genetic code means it is a particular sequence of nucleotides or particularly the nitrogen bases, sequence of nitrogen bases. It is a particular sequence, and that sequence has a particular meaning which directs the biochemical reactions, which directs the protein synthesis, transcription, translation, and all this. And many scientists have worked to reveal the characteristics of genetic code, to reveal the structure of genetic code and the study of genetic code. The first scientist, Janosky and Sarabhai, the information lies in the sequence of nucleotides. They have proved, or they have given a very important statement that the information is related with the synthesis of any enzyme, synthesis of protein, or expression of a particular character, that type of information. And this information lies in a sequence of nucleotides. The very important sequence, genetic code has a particular sequence, and this sequence is present in the form of nucleotide. These are the units or the basic units of DNA or in the RNA, and this information lies in the particular sequence of nucleotides. Next, Crick demonstrated that information stored in the form of a coded language, this information, this particular sequence is in the form of coded language. This information is stored in the form of coded language. Now, what is the code? Coded language, or what is the code? Code, it is very popularly, it is called as cryptogram. It is very popularly known as a cryptogram on mRNA. And same information, coded form, same information is present on the DNA itself. On the DNA itself, information stored in the form of coded language. Now, what is coded language? Coded language means there are particular sequence of nitrogenous bases. There are particular sequence of nitrogenous bases on the DNA molecule or on the mRNA molecule. Here AUG, C, GA, GAC, UAA. Understood? Here 5 prime, here 3 prime. This is the mRNA molecule, and this mRNA molecule carries these nucleotides, and these nucleotides having nitrogenous bases from 5 prime end AUG, CGA, GAC, UAA. This code is nothing but the coded language by Crick. Next, Gamow suggested the triplet codon. Now, the number of amino acids existed. There are 21 amino acids. There are 21 amino acids if selenocysteine is there, and very popularly there are only 20 amino acids are present. Very popularly there are 20 amino acids are present. 21st amino acid is present only when selenium element is available. This is the very rare case, but 20 amino acids are present. Now, Gamow suggested the triplet codon. Nitrogen bases are adenine, guanine, cytosine and uracil. Adenine, guanine, cytosine and uracil. Thymine base is replaced by uracil in the RNA. Now these 4 nitrogen bases are available to code 20 different amino acids. Now how this is possible that these 4 nitrogen bases can code these 20 amino acids? Now if one nitrogen base codes for one amino acid, then there are only 4 amino acids, but amino acid number is 20. Now if doublet codon is there, singlet codon means only 4 amino acids, then doublet codon, two pair of 2, doublet codon if we consider, then 4 into 4 is equal to 16 amino acids will available, but the amino acid number is 20. If we consider the doublet codon, then only 16 amino acids will be present or coded by the doublet codon. Then how 20 amino acids can coded? Now 4 into 4 into 4 is equal to 64. Triplet codon is present, and this triplet combination of these 4 nitrogenous bases codes for 64 codons. Now these 64 codons are sufficient to code the 20 amino acids. 64 codons are sufficient to code the 20 amino acids. Now Gamow suggested the triplet codon, hence here the triplet codons are present. Triplet codons are present. Understood why triplet 3 nitrogen bases in various combinations are sufficient to code the 20 amino acids. Hence Gamow suggested the triplet codon. Next is Dr. Hargobind Khorana synthesized the artificial mRNA by artificially sequencing the nucleotides. He synthesized the artificial mRNA. Next, Nirenberg, Mathai and Oka deciphered all 64 codons. Nirenberg and Mathai deciphered or revealed all 64 codons in the dictionary of genetic code, and these all 64 codons you will get in your book the chart of all these 64 codons. This is like this. These are the 64 codons. This is the chart of 64 codons, and these all the 64 codons and their amino acids are revealed by the Nirenberg, Mathai and Oka. Understood? The genetic code is nothing but the particular sequence of nucleotides or particular sequence of nitrogenous bases. Generally the genetic code is in triplet form. Now this genetic code have some characteristics, some important characteristics. Let us study one by one the characteristics of genetic code. The characteristics of genetic code. These are the characteristics of genetic code. This is the linear mRNA molecule. mRNA molecule. This is the 5' end and this is the 3' end. This is the direction or the polarity, and on the 5' end there is the start codon AUG is present, which always codes for a methionine, and on the 3' end there is a stop codon UAA is present, and in between the various combinations of codons are present, like These are the triplet codons. This is the linear mRNA molecule. This is mRNA molecule. Now let us study the characteristics of genetic code. The first characteristic of genetic code, the genetic code is a triplet code. Genetic code is triplet code. Now what is triplet code? Here the group of three nitrogenous bases are present. 1, 2, 3. Next 1, 2, 3. Next 1, 2, 3. The genetic code is always present in its triplet form. Group of three nitrogenous base forms a code word, or it is called as a genetic code or codon. This is first codon, this is second codon, this is third codon, fourth codon, and number of codons are present on mRNA molecule. Understood the triplet code? Understood triplet code? Triplet code means genetic code is present in the sequence of three nitrogen bases. This is called as a triplet codon. The next one, it has a distinct polarity. Genetic code has a distinct polarity. The genetic code is always read from 5' to 3' direction, or from 5' to 3' direction. The genetic code is always read from 5' to 3' direction. On the 5' end, there is an initiation codon or start codon. This is the first codon, second codon, third codon, and this is the last or the termination codon. Hence, it has a distinct polarity. The mRNA molecule is always read from 5' to 3' end, 3' direction. So the genetic code has a polarity from, it can be read from 5' to 3' direction. Next, the genetic code is non-overlapping. Non-overlapping means these three nitrogenous bases constitute a single codon. These three nitrogen bases constitute a single codon. Next, these three nitrogen bases constitute another codon. Understood? These genetic code or these nitrogenous bases do not overlap. Nitrogenous base from the first codon and nitrogenous bases from the next codon do not form any triplet codon. These group of three nitrogen bases form a single codon. This one is separate codon. This one is separate codon. This is first, second, third. Understood? These nitrogen bases do not overlap and form a new codon. Like the nitrogen base from here and these two nitrogen bases from this third codon. These do not form any codon. Sequence of three nitrogen bases, these three, these three, these three. These are the codons. Understood? So the genetic code is non-overlapping. Genetic code do not overlap. Next, genetic code is commaless. Commaless means this sequence or the genetic code arranged linearly one after other. There is no any gap, no any punctuation. This is the commaless. There is no any gap or no any punctuation mark. So these genetic code are without any gap or without any space. This sequence is present. Next, degeneracy. The genetic code are degenerative in nature because, as I have already told, 20 amino acids are coded by 64 codons. 20 amino acids are coded by 64 codons. Hence, the one amino acid can be coded by more than one amino acid can be coded by more than one codons. Understood? Leucine has 2 codons. Serine has 2 codons. Arginine has 4 codons are present. So there is one amino acid is coded by a particular codon, but some amino acids are coded by more than one codons. Sometimes 2 codons code for a single amino acid, 3 codons code for a single amino acid, or 4 codons code for a single amino acid. Hence, the codons are degenerative in nature. Next, the codons are non-ambiguous. Non-ambiguous means the codons are distinct. A particular codon or a particular amino acid is coded by a particular codon. Generally, a specific codon has a specific amino acids, or no two amino acids, listen carefully, no two amino acids are coded by a single codon. Hence, a particular amino acid has a particular codon. So these 20 amino acids are coded by 20 or different codons, 64 different codons. The amino acids, two amino acids are not coded by a single codon. So this is the non-ambiguous nature of genetic code. Next, the genetic code is universal. Now what is universal? In all types of organisms, like starting from the bacteria, to the plants and to the animals, the genetic code or AUG, this amino acid AUG codes for methionine in bacteria, in plant or in animals also. So this genetic code is universal. This is present in all types of organism, in plants, in bacteria or in the animals. This genetic code is constant, or this particular genetic code codes for a particular amino acid. Next is initiation and termination codon. Now what is initiation? Initiation means a start codon which initiates the process of protein synthesis and is always present at the 5' end of mRNA, and initiation codon is always AUG. Initiation codon is always AUG, and this AUG codes for amino acid methionine. This AUG codes for amino acid methionine in all types of organism. This is the initiation codon which starts the process of protein synthesis and is always present at the 5' end, and as the ribosome reads the mRNA, it will reach to the termination codon. This is the termination codon. Termination codon, termination means this is the end of the process of protein synthesis. Termination codon is always present at 3' end. It is either UAA, UAG or UGA. These are the three termination codons or the nonsense codons. These codons are also called as the nonsense codons because these codons do not code for any amino acid. Do not code for any amino acid, and this termination codon, any of these three is present at the 3' end of mRNA, which terminates, which stops or which completes the process of protein synthesis. These are the initiation and termination codons are present at the 5' end. Initiation codon is present, and at the 3' end termination codon is present. Now codon and anticodon, there are three terms. The first one is a codogen, the second one is codon, and third one is anticodon. Now what is codogen? Codogen is the smallest triplet. Codogen is the smallest particular triplet present on DNA strand. Codogen is the smallest triplet present on DNA. Codon is the smallest triplet present on mRNA. Codon is the smallest triplet of nitrogen base present on mRNA, and anticodon is the triplet present on tRNA. Anticodon is a triplet present on tRNA, and here codon-anticodon pairing is there. Codon-anticodon pairing is there. For example, this is AUG. Now the tRNA will bring UAC. This is the anticodon of tRNA. This is the guanine. This is CCAN, 5 prime end, 3 prime end, and this will gives the amino acid methionine. This will give the amino acid methionine. Understood? Here the codon and anticodon pairing is there, and codon's complementary pair or the codon's complementary sequence is nothing but the anticodon, and this anticodon is present on the tRNA, and when the codon anticodon matching is there, then the particular amino acid of this codon is transferred at the site of protein synthesis, means to the ribosome. This is the methionine. Understood? Understood the general characteristics of genetic code. Genetic code, generally it is a triplet codon, distinct polarity from 5 prime to 3 prime end, non-overlapping, every codon is a separate, there is no any mixing, commaless, there is no any gap or the space or the punctuation mark between the codons. Degeneracy, a single amino acid can be coded by more than one codons. Non-ambiguous, a particular codon has a particular amino acid. Non-ambiguous. Universal, it is present in all types of organisms. Initiation and termination codons. At the 5 prime end there is the initiation codon, which is always AUG, codes for methionine, and at the 5 prime end there is a termination codon. Out of these three, either UAA, UAG or UGA is present. Understood the genetic code? तुम्हाला जर काही शंका असेल तर कमेंट बॉक्स मध्ये नक्की कमेंट करा. व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा. व्हिडिओ पूर्ण बघितल्यानंतर वॉच्ड कम्प्लीटली अशी कमेंट करा. थँक्यू.